How to fix Microsoft Teams sign-in problem. So if you want to fix your Microsoft Teams sign-in problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, after having a stable internet connection, what you need to do is, if you are facing a problem with the sign-in, you need to go back to your settings application. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps and go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Microsoft Teams. After that, tap on the Teams application that you found, and now go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back, open up your Play Store, go with your search, and here you need to search for Teams. After that, if you have any updates on your Microsoft Teams, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Or just simply go and restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.